This is the video guide that will help you to remove the ransomware called Ggew. Ggew is the ransomware from the Ggew ransomware family. The video will demonstrate to you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. You can now clearly see that before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, this Ggew ransomware may be easily injected into the system. Then, pretty soon, people realize that they cannot use their files anymore. All these files get damaged and encrypted by this particular ransomware. So after people restart their computers or turn them on someday, they notice these dramatic changes with the files. You can now clearly see the results of the ransomware attack. Whenever you open the specific file, this is the message that you get saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Ggew extension. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files will be restored. First thing I recommend you to do is carefully check the task manager. In case you find any suspicious processes like this one with a long and random name, right-click on it and end its task to stop the further file encryption. Of course, paying the ransom for the file restoration is not a good solution. There is no guarantee that your data would be restored. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and begin researching your device with its help. So Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Combo Cleaner is able to defend your data from being damaged by the ransomware. It has got this excellent anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. However, this feature is a part of the premium license only. So you need to wait a little bit until the scanning is over. The scanning itself might take several minutes, depending on various factors. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know the exact locations of these threats on the system. I strongly advise that you upgrade to the premium license. This is the best solution to keep your files always protected and to keep your entire computer always free of threats. Furthermore, you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner.